Hello everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome to another brand new video, and today in this video we're going to review my brand new XLR condenser mic for YouTube. I purchased it from Amazon India and it cost me around 6,000 rupees. Now here is the package that delivered last week. So guys, let's unbox it and find out what's inside. So we'll cut it open from here. So this is the box. Condenser studio microphone set. This is the model number AU-PM320S, professional audio conversion. The company name is MAONO. And on the back side, you have some information. Okay, name of the commodity XLR microphone kit. So inside this, I think there is a full kit along the stand. This is a stand. Okay, now net quantity microphone, one boom arm, and a shock mount, pop filter, wind map, table mounting clamp, and XLR cable. MRP is 9,999 rupees, but I got it around 6,000 rupees from Amazon India. Month and year of import is March 2021, so it's a recent item, and it's a Chinese product. Country of origin is China, so it's a Chinese product. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Wow. So first we get a user manual from MAONO. This is a user manual. This is the installation guide, and here we got a card from MAONO, and this is the pop filter. It's a pretty good quality pop filter. Then we have another wind map for windy situation if you want to record sound in wind. And next, here we have a stand. It's lightweight. It's pretty lightweight. It's, I think, 100-200 gram. Build quality is pretty good, decent build quality. And this is a shock mount to reduce any noise that coming from external sources. And this is the XLR cable for the microphone. This is the clamp to clamp it with a table. And this is the mic. It's pretty heavy, looks amazing. Pretty decent quality microphone from MAONO. Build quality looks great. Look at this, awesome. It's near around 500 gram. Pretty heavy microphone. So guys, we will test it today. We will also get a Velcro cable tie to tighten up those cables.